Hey guys, I'm Aaron with Aleeknives. I've got another wild idea for a knife build. We're going to incorporate some more copper, so I'm going to reach up here and grab some material and get started. Pretty good. Okay guys, here's my outer plates. I drilled a whole bunch of holes in. I'm going to put a piece of copper there. I'm going to put the center right in here like so. I'm going to put a piece of copper here. You notice the copper doesn't fill up the entire billet, and that's fine because I'm not making a traditional gomai or cumai here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to weld this shut and almost a canister basically. But this is a canister where the outside material is going to stay. And what I'm hoping I can do is I can just absolutely melt the copper into these holes and forge it flat to where the copper fills these holes and everything forges together, and there'll be a thin layer of copper in between the core and the outside, and then that way when I cut a knife out of it we could get a really cool striking design. I don't know if it'll work, so let's weld it together and see what we can come up with. Well, what do you think? Did it work? Do you think it worked? You know, I thought long and hard about this project even before I did it. And I thought with me drilling those holes with all the air pockets on the inside of this that it would be very difficult to fill all of the voids with the molten copper. I forged this down to about 2/3 of the original thickness, and I did have copper leak out here and here. I don't know how much copper that I lost, but some copper definitely leaked out. So let's go ahead and take the angle grinder, we'll cut off the sides and the back, and we'll see what we're left with. Alright, so far we're looking pretty good. We have our stripes that worked out all the way around. Looks like everything's real nice and solid. The next thing we need to do is just profile this out, grind up the bevels, and see if that copper filled the holes or if we're going to be left with a whole bunch of unsightly voids. Well, what do you think? Is it going to work? That's my question to you. Leave the comment down below. I'll see you guys on Sunday with the finished knife. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. As always, please show your support. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Tell me down below if you think it's going to work, and I'll see you Sunday.